Because we're going to do these things. When we say we're going to do something, we do it. We don't theorize about it. Unless ABSA comes here and says to us, hey, what do you want? Say. Well, then we can talk. 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing first, ABSA must give their workers a housing scheme. That's the first intervention. Because the kids who have gone to schools with honors degree do not qualify for a bond, and majority of them are working for the banks. Those kids who are working in the banks there don't qualify for a house. They've been to school. Look at the cars they are driving. Go to a parking lot of those graduates, especially black students who are working, black graduates who are working in the banks. Go to the parking lots and look at the cars they are driving. And go to the parking lots of VETS and UCT and look at the cars of white students who are not graduates. And you want me to accept that? I must accept that because it's a God's willing. It's supposed to be like that. I'll never accept that. I'll never accept that. Let banks start paying well their workers, especially graduates. Because most graduates, even when they work, they don't inspire the township youth. The township youth says to us, you saying to us, we must go to school. Look at that lawyer. Huh? Caspar is singing about his lawyer cousins, who always look shocked when they see him rock up at home with a coupe. Graduates. The only thing they can afford is a Golf, a Polo Vivo. Polo Vivo. They don't even have electronic windows. It's permanent Amstrad. with honors. With honors. People have been to school here. They are not paid anything. I'm not bargaining for people who have not been to school alone. With you is worse. Journalists is worse. Some of you came with taxis here. Some of you are going to misplace the notebook in a taxi. It's painful. It's a struggle you are confronted with every day. Yet you are graduates. You go to school. When I challenge authorities, it is you who call me names. I'm not saying those people must give the money to me. Neither do I say they must give to individual BEE. I'm saying they must give to you. What is called Naspers. You must have shares. Journalists must have shares in Naspers. When we say workers, we're referring to you. Not to BEE, not to Cyril, not to Patrice Motsepe. To you. The people who are making that company to be what it is. And not blacks only. Black and white workers have shares. But white workers must not be given more shares because they are white. Equal shares. The color of your skin shouldn't matter. That's what I'm hated for. That's a crime I'm committing.